Today you are in the third video of our tutorial series. Today we are going to learn how to remove a background and how to add a background or change the background of our image. Today at first you have to do is make a perfect selection. Here a main thing that I have to say is when you're expanding your selection, you are using the plus mark, right? And when you want to remove your expansion, you have to use the minus mark. So you can see there are two marks here, and also you can increase and decrease your size of the selection tool, and also you can change your selection of plus and minus by clicking alt. When you're holding alt key and pressing, it will automatically change your selection tools minus to the plus mark and plus to the minus. Now we have created a perfect selection here. Now what we have to do is create a layer mask by clicking here. Now you can see a layer mask have created, and now you can do as I do. And hit OK. Now what we have to do is you have to click on this mask and apply layer mask. Now you can see a layer mask have been applied here. Now we are going to change our background. Now go to place embed, then you have to select your background image, or else you can select a background color also. You don't want to select the background image. Yeah, I will show you. I'm taking this background, this image as the background. Now you can resize as you want. Now hit OK. Now what you have to do is drag that image to the below that we created the layer that we created before. Now you can see the image have been successfully added as the background. Let's make the background image more bigger. Now you can see we have created our background and removed the background and added a new background. Now click Control Alt Shift and E to make a one layer, to get this all to the one layer, and subscribe for more videos just like this.